So what we're doing is we're going to edit the columns. So we go to Manage, Column Organization, and then you can move things. So I want the book review to be the third thing in the list.
You move it by, you're not dragging it, are you?
You grab that little star thing and drag, and then you just move it up and down like that. Then to hide something, you click the little box right next to it and go to Show Hide. So I want this to be hidden. So I click it and then click Hide, and now I can see that it's hidden because it says that here. So I've got the first, second exam, the book review, and the final exam. I'm going to click Submit. Now I'm going to go to Weighted Total, and I'm going to create the grade here. So I'm going to go, first I'm going to hide it from students for right now until you have everything in here the way you want it. So when you get ready.
On this, I just noticed the final exam listed as 100, not 200. And the final exam should be twice what each of the others is.
Well, we're going to set that up in this column here. So when you're ready for them to see it, you click back here and do Show, but for right now we don't want them to see it. So we're going to go to So to make the grade calculate right, we go to Weighted Total and Edit Course Information. And this is going to be Test 1. First exam is 20%.
I see. That's where you would edit it.
Second exam is 20%. The book review is 20%. And the final exam is 40%, right? Okay, so does that look right? History.
Yep.
Okay, and then we click Submit, which you can't see in the box I'm recording because it's a little below the screen. And now their average is calculated in here. Now,
and the weighted total is just the overall.
That's their average, right? Now, another thing that you can do is I can go in and create a column, and I'm just going to call it Create Column. I'm going to call this Final Grade, and I'm going to I'm going to not right now show it to students. And then let's say there's different ways you can do this. So I want this to be a letter grade right now. And I'm just going to, you have to say it has points, so you give it 100 points. Scroll down and click Submit. Again, you can't see the Submit button there. So now I can go into this column that says Final Grade, and I can put this person has a 79.6, so that would be a B in my class. So I can type in a B, and the student can see it. Or if I wanted to make this a number column and make the final grade, like I'm going to give everybody 5 extra points, I can change it from a number, from a letter to a number, and I can manually enter the grade. So you can give them the grade here in this column in whatever way you want to, but this is the actual mathematical total of the course.
I've got you. That's why I would hide that, because if somebody...
Right.
Yeah.
So I'm going to delete that column right now because that's not how you wanted to do it, but that is how you can do it. And I'm going to stop this recording, but that should give you basically how to go in and rearrange your columns and how to set up a calculated total. So I'm going to stop the recording.